First thing I'm going to do is take the negative battery cable off before beginning. Second thing I'll do is loosen the drive belt here around the alternator. To do that, I'll loosen this bolt, which I already have here. This is 14 millimeter. That's a pivot bolt. Then there's an adjustment bolt here for the belt. I'll loosen that. I believe that's 12 millimeter. But to loosen that, I need to loosen this bolt that holds the adjustment bolt in place. So that's 12 millimeter as well. All right, so what I'm going to do is take the belt. I'm going to put it around the crankshaft, around the AC pulley there. And I'm going to go underneath. See all the slack I'm going to have? So I'm going to go underneath and I'm going to grab it here. Make sure that the ribs are in place on both pulleys. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck it underneath and fold it. Here's what we've done with that alternator serpentine belt. Put it back into the grooves here of the crankshaft. I don't know if you see that there. It's going around the AC compressor. So here's a top view. We've got the belt on the AC. The additional slack, I pulled it underneath the belt here, and we're back around the crankshaft. So see how it's pulled in? Maybe you can see that. Yeah, see how it's doubled under there? We even want that to kind of be in track with the pulley there as well. Get a finger on that, right? Try to keep where it's tucked under there, even in track with the pulley as well, so it'll lay perfectly over and not come over on the side and pull the belt off. So yeah, need to be lined up. And let's get a wrench and see if we can loosen that bolt. Here's what we have. We have a 6.19 millimeter socket on that bolt. That happens to be 3/8. Not the ideal situation here. As you can see, I've put an adapter in there to bring it up to 3/4 inch. Even got a pipe and to put over the wrench if we need be. That may break right in there, so I don't know. We'll try it, find out. There we go. Something's either bending or that bolt is loosening. And the bolt is loosened. All right. Gotta love it. And with the bolt loosened, we're up here on top again. Just grab the belt here. You can kind of see maybe where it's, before it comes out. Let's take a final look at, yeah, there's a final look. See how it was folded right there underneath the top of the belt, and it was still in the grooves of that pulley. So let's go ahead and get it all the way out. All right, I'll go ahead and remove it probably from the bottom. Till next time, have a nice day. 97 2.2 Toyota Camry.